and we have glitter. So hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas. And also, if you're thinking about why there is a lot of shiny glitter, today we are going to be talking about teeth. Yes, hygiene, and what makes good products makes our teeth look light, shiny, white, hygienic and clean. So today I have two products that I want to show you, and yes, let's go and have a look at those products close up, and let's try them as well. And why are they good for our teeth, and why is it that you want to buy those products? So let's get on with that now. Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and as you saw from my intro, it's all about dental hygiene. So I have a few products to show you. So this one is a rechargeable cordless water flosser. So we are going to have a look at that close up. And we have the Oral-B Genius 9000 Brawn. So this, and it's in the rose gold, and it comes in a case as well, but we are going to open it and talk about it. So these are the two items that I'm going to be looking at today for dental hygiene. So yes, and I'm going to be trying these out and giving you a review of these products. So without further ado, let's open them and let's see what we get. So, wireless cordless water flosser, which is always great, especially when you're in the bathroom. I have a lot of difficulties for plugs in my bathroom, so something that is cordless is always a must for me. So I want to get this one open. So here we go, we have the plug, and this is for the charging of the item, and as you can see it's got the USB here, so that's great. Let's have a look. Very difficult to get out. Okay, so it's all coming out in bits. And we do have the instructions are in here. We'll just get everything out. Right, that's just fine, that's just a tag in there. Right, we also have a lovely little bag to keep it in, which I really like. So that's great for storage and also traveling. It comes in its nice little bag there. So obviously you get your leads, which is the USB leads for charging. So we've got that there. And here you have 3 little heads. So when you're flossing, these are great little head. One is a brush. One just looks like a little sponge, and the also one I think is obviously for the water jet. So, okay. So this goes in here, and it's got the on and off switch. It's got mode on here. It's also got soft pulse. So yes, that's great. Okay, so this where you charge, as you can see the ends of those 2 holes, it actually has this here, so it protects. And if you look, you can see. So I like that little protection bit from dust and anything else getting in there. That's great. So it's, and I like it because it's like compact. It's very small, and your water goes up to maximum 300 ml on here. So lovely. And there at the top, you can see where you will slot the heads on to there. And as I said, we have 3 heads on here. So as you can see, very easily fits in there. So lovely again. And I think what I should start doing is charging this. So yes, So this is just some things to say about it. It removes up to 8.5 times as much plaque as a manual flossing alone. It's detachable 300ml water tank, which we've talked about, and also it's got 3 mode options. So you've got normal, you've got the soft, and you've got the pulse. So long lasting batteries, which is fantastic to hear. So 4 hours charging for over a week of normal usage. So that is great savings as well. So you're not always having to charge it up. So what comes in with this is the main body. You get the 300ml water tank, you've got the mains adapter, you've got the charging cable, you've got the standard jet tips, 3 standard jet tips, you've got 3 specialist jet tips, and a soft storage pouch, which is here. So fantastic, fantastic. And oh yes, there are the water jets. Sorry, there's another packet here, and 3 of them are in there. And these are the other 3 which I was talking about. So like I said, the standard jet tips and the specialist jet tips as well. So there's a lot of tips here to be using. So you know, this is going to be doing a great job for our teeth. And obviously in the instructions it just shows you things like how you will fill that tank up with the water. So as you can see, there is a little place here where you can just put that under and the water will fill in. And yeah, I must honestly say I've never used one of these before. I usually would just tend to floss with the normal string flossing. So you know, I'm looking forward to, and it's also got orthodontic tips if you do have braces, so that's fantastic as well. So yes, I'm very much looking forward to trying this, because I know flossing is just as important as brushing your teeth. So very much looking forward to using this. So okay, so just opening at the moment and talking about it. Demonstrations will be much later. So that is that product. Okay, let's start with this one, which is the Oral-B Genius 9000 Brawn in the rose gold. It also has the Bluetooth smart app. So you know, I like the things I like about this. You've got the Oral-B app. So you know, it's for daily monitoring of your habits and personalized brushing routine connected to your mobile phone. So, you know, you're always updated, and it actually does give you, included here will be the holder for you can put that in your bathroom, and you can attach your phone to it while using, and it's all done through the Bluetooth. And yes, and it has 6 cleaning modes on this. So it's 3D action, brush heads, and right, without talking too much, I just really want to open this up. It opens up like a little box at the moment, and you can see that lovely rose gold toothbrush in there. So let's find a way to get this open. Right, at the top here. And if I pull it out, it comes out nice and neat like this. I have a Oral-B Brawn case, so it looks like that. It's in white. So let's get that open. So I do want to show you the close-up of the case. So it has this little bar here, which you just, and then it just opens in. And you can see where you clip everything in, which is really nice. Take this somewhere and travel. I think it's really compact, very neat. And you just, lovely with all the added electrical socket parts here for charging as well while you are away. So that's lovely. So yes, I'm really happy with all the bits, a lot of reading, but you know, it should be all self-explanatory. And yes, I can't wait to use this product and give you a great review. So yes, and then in here, we obviously have the instructions, the manual. So we also have some head information. It's also got your 1-year guarantee. So that's that. And as you can see, I have a few heads in here. So let's put those there. And there's also, oh, this is really nice, a little case. Isn't that cute? There is actually a little case for your heads as well. So look at that. So that's really nice. And what else do I get in here? Right, let's have a look at this. It almost looks like the station of charging. So you must also understand it does have, depending on where you are, but it has the European. So you will need the actual, you know, the plug that you can transform depending on where you're using this item. So this is obviously where you will place it for charging. So we have that. And what do we have here? Let's get this open. So this actually looks like the place, the thing that you would attach your phone to in the bathroom. So that's really cool. So as you can see, it's got the rubber sticky thing that you will be sticking, and it's got this little adjustment here and lock, and obviously it expands to hold your phone. So that's really cool, like that. So that's something you can put into your bathroom and just keep it there and put your phone there while you're monitoring how it works. Again, you have another European lead here. And right, let's get this out. So there you go, that is my rose gold brawn, and it really looks really nice. It's quite light. You can see the 6 modes on here, and I love this. And it's kind of like a silicone grip, so it's nice. You can really get a grip. You know that you're actually gripping onto this, so that's great. And that will actually just slot on top for the charging. So that's lovely, that's the charging. And you've also got the added, you can actually charge it inside the travel case, which is really nice. I mean, look at that travel case. Beautiful travel case for taking away with you, and also one as well to keep the heads in. So now I'm going to show you the water jet, and in this little hole here, we are just going to be filling it up with some water. So let's do that now. So there we go, we have some water in here. Whoa, you can see that really got the water coming out of there. That's really good. So yes, let's go and use this product. Okay, so I am here now in my bathroom, and I am going to be trying this out. So which one is the on button? Okay, I've got it on pulse at the moment. I'm going to switch on the on. My review, right, just that little bit. I can honestly say it feels like being in the dental chair, and you know when they really clean your teeth and do all that this is what that feels like. So, and like I said, I've never tried this before, but that just came to mind almost instantly. It's like being in the dentist. So wow, that was a little bit stronger than I thought. So it's definitely doing a good job, and yeah, I'm really liking it. I mean, wow. I do hope that you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up and make any comments down below. And I hope that you enjoyed that video for hygiene, dental hygiene. Bye for now. Hope to see you again in my next video.